If you've ever had anxiety over trying to parallel park or back into a tight space, you're in luck. Toyota has developed the perfect safety feature to put your mind at ease. This feature is called Bird's Eye View, and it's great because it allows you as the driver to see everything that is surrounding the vehicle in a single image. So keep listening to find out more about this feature that is included in several Toyota models. How exactly are you able to see all around your vehicle, including moving and overhead views? Well, 4 cameras are placed strategically around your Toyota to achieve maximum visibility. 1 camera is located on the front of the car, there's 1 camera on each side view mirror, and 1 in the rear of the vehicle. The Bird's Eye View system can be turned on after starting your vehicle. When your transmission is in park and the Park Assist feature is activated, you can press the Bird's Eye View button to produce a moving 360 display that will show your vehicle's surroundings. You can even pause the display with the pause button in the lower left-hand corner. You can use the moving view while driving. If you need to take a closer look at something, just tap the screen to zoom in and tap again to zoom out. You can see exactly what's in front of your car on half the screen and what's surrounding your car on the other half. You'll also notice the helpful guidelines that appear when you're turning your car's wheel. Though the name may be misleading, Bird's Eye View offers more than just that. There's an option that allows you to see side views of your vehicle. It's useful when trying to change lanes, pull over, or see how much room you have to open a door. When shifting into reverse, the system displays an overhead view of your vehicle and its surroundings, in addition to a view of the area behind your car. Guidelines can be displayed to help guide you out or into a parking spot. Display alerts you when you're close in proximity to another vehicle or object, along with a beeping sound. You can also switch the view to not have the car in the display, like a traditional backup camera. To park in a tight spot can be a nightmare. Thankfully, Bird's Eye View is now an option in several new Toyotas at Toyota of Orlando. Stop by today to test it out for yourself.